Yeah.
So guys, we've come to do a video in the noisiest part of the building. We're in the panel shop. Got a very special custom project here as well. Can't tell you anything about it, but we've got a big video coming soon. We're now gonna go out the front and show you round a brand new Land Rover Defender. It's in for the works. As usual, you know we always do a mental job here, so full black pack, full color code. We're adding some color to this one as well and some other little tweaks. So let's go behind the scenes and show you what we're now gonna do to this. Before we end this, me and Jake are playing badminton tonight, so I need to know in the comments below who is gonna win the badminton game. Martin, me and Jake are playing badminton tonight. Who's gonna win? He's on the fence. He's not getting paid for this job now then.
He basically said we're both fat, so he can't tell.
Yeah, he did. So Marston's in there now wrapping a CLA. He hasn't said I'm gonna win, so that's another month before he gets paid for this wrap he's now gonna do for us. Anyway guys, let's go into this Defender video. Let's go. So guys, we're now in...
Don't do it like that, mate.
Okay, Drew's gonna do the whole lot, let's go.
Okay, you ready? Is it playing? Oh,
yeah.
Alright. Oh, hi guys, it's Drew here from the Body Centre, from the prep department. I'm now currently prepping this Defender 110 down for a black pack. You've probably seen about 15 million of these, because we've completed 15 million of these in the last 3 weeks.
Yes, we have.
And also, we've filmed every single one of them, so knows whilst we're filming this one, because they're all the same.
Oh, how predictable.
Yeah, and basically, yeah, it's silver and now it's going black.
Yeah.
Put it on me. I don't know
So
if that's
Drew has done a great job in the prep shop. He's 800 grey scotched all the bits down. We've got the arches in the panel shop being
all
shaped
the
up.
in the bumper.
He's top stopped the bumper, the technical word. And yeah, it's all going well so far. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that bell button, hit the subscribe button. Here we go.
I have a message.
No swear. So guys, the Defender is now complete. What an absolutely unbelievable transformation. I've got it here in front of me on my computer and it looks like a completely different car. Absolutely awesome. The arches give it such more of an aggressive look. Makes it look a lot beefier. The massive Vossen wheels. Again, game changer. Love them wheels.
Love the features from Urban.
Yeah, the Urban. Yeah, Urban are done well on this. The roof lights and the rear spoiler. Again, just make it look even more unique than it does already. This customer is a very good customer of ours. He's got some unbelievable vehicles. He loves his orange as well. So as you can see on the lower front grille of this one, we have done that orange, the calipers orange, the rear tow hooks orange. Just to tie it in with his older Defender 110. So there, yeah, pretty cool drive over there. The older style 110 and the new style 110, both the black and the orange features looks absolutely brilliant. But again, an awesome job by the team. Jake, no, I edited this one. Jake didn't edit this one. Me and Jake got a little competition going on. We always
no competition.
Correct. There is no competition because I smoke him every time on the edits.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Sam's the best at everything.
I try. Oh,
Martin Pro Wrap.
gotta go. Pro Wrap on the phone. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We'll see you next time. Hello, Martin. How are you?